Mercury announces its first electric outboard, the Avator. Mercury Marine unveiled their first electric motor at this year's Miami International Boat Show. Mercury didn't release any specifications on the engine, but it looks like it's a small, low horsepower engine that's lightweight and easily transportable. Here's a short video that Mercury released on the engine and gives you a good overview of it. Well, I like how the engine has the lines of its larger four-stroke cousins. The Mercury Avator electric outboard program is the next evolution of our leadership in the marine industry, says Chris Dries, president of Mercury Marine. The innovations we're exploring with this program give us a bold look at what electrification can mean for the future of boating. We intend to deliver another way for people to enjoy the best experience on the water while also building on Mercury's commitment to sustainability. I knew that it would be a short time before Mercury decided to throw its hat into the electric outboard ring. And it really looks like Mercury has thought this one out pretty strongly. Orders for the outboards will open up in the end of 22. And deliveries will begin in 23. This is the first in a range of 5 other models to be announced in the coming months. The essence of the Avator is a removable, portable, fast-charging battery pack that disconnects from the transom fitting. It looks like you could carry a spare battery and swap it out to make sure you got home, I guess. I like the design here, but really just kind of looks like a trolling motor that you can strap with a tiller handle on the back of a transom. So, innovative, maybe. I could see this as a great tender engine because it would sit on the back of the boat, and if you had a solar panel on the back of it, it could sit there and charge. It's just kind of sitting around. Or when you go to the dinghy dock and you leave it sitting there, it can charge back up. They don't show anything about hooking up a solar panel, but it would be a nice feature to have. If you watched my other videos on electric outboards from other companies that are coming out, you'd kind of know my feelings on them. I see a place in the market for them, such as I mentioned about a tender motor or something like that. But really, this thing's really is kind of a trolling motor. The trolling motors on the market today have some really high-tech features on them. But the big problem I have with electrification is energy density. If you replace the volume of that portable battery pack with an equal amount of gasoline, your range is 10 times the amount. Batteries just don't pack the punch that a equal amount of gasoline or hydrocarbon-based fuels do. What I'm really interested in is what is the price point of this little outboard going to be compared to competitors of the same size and performance four-stroke outboard. My hat's off to Mercury on this one and their design. It'll be interesting to see what they come up with on the other models and what on the higher sizes they're going to do. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll keep an eye on this one and give you any updates we find out as they come out in the future.